Basil. By promoting the use of these ingredients, Thai chefs are able to support local farmers and food producers, and promote sustainable and responsible food production practices. Preserving culinary traditions. Finally, ethnic and regional dishes play an important role in preserving culinary traditions. Many ethnic and regional dishes are developed using traditional recipes and techniques that have been passed down through generations, and are an important part of the cultural heritage and identity of different communities. By preserving and promoting these dishes, we are able to honor the culinary traditions of different communities, and ensure that these traditions are passed down to future generations. This not only helps to preserve the cultural heritage of different communities, but also ensures that these unique and delicious dishes continue to be enjoyed by people around the world. Conclusion. In conclusion, ethnic and regional dishes are an important aspect of the world's culinary traditions, reflecting the history, traditions, and values of different communities. By preserving cultural heritage, celebrating diversity, promoting sustainability, encouraging culinary exploration, supporting local economies, and preserving culinary traditions, ethnic and regional dishes play an important role in promoting cultural exchange and understanding, and enriching our culinary experiences. Whether we are exploring the bold and spicy flavors of Southeast Asia, savoring the rich and savory dishes of Italy, or enjoying the unique and delicious cuisine of Mexico, ethnic and regional dishes provide a window into the rich and diverse culinary traditions of the world, and help us to appreciate the unique contributions of each community. Every culture has its own unique cuisine shaped by the availability of ingredients, cooking techniques, cultural customs, and history. Ethnic and regional dishes offer not just flavors but also insights into the lives, values, and stories of the people who develop them. Here are some reasons why these distinctive dishes are important. They preserve cultural identity and heritage. Traditional dishes act as custodians of a community's cultural identity, practices, and history. They get passed down through generations, keeping memories alive and ensuring continuity with the past. Even simple gestures like naming dishes after people, places, and events help connect cuisines to a cultural narrative. The loss of indigenous recipes means erosion of identity and intangible cultural heritage. They showcase culinary ingenuity. Ethnic and regional dishes represent the creative culinary solutions developed by communities over generations to utilize available local ingredients in unique and delicious ways. They reflect locally adapted techniques, seasoning profiles, and presentation styles. The many elaborate recipes of regional cuisines across the world demonstrate the remarkable ingenuity and experimentation that has gone into human culinary development. They allow ingredients to shine. Often, the key seasonal ingredients that shaped regional cuisines are highlighted in traditional dishes. These recipes aim to let the natural flavors and textures of core regional produce like nuts, legumes, spices, meats, and seafood shine through with minimal adulteration. Ethnic foods thus become vehicles for showcasing a place's distinctive harvests and ecological bounty. They signal hospitality and sharing. Many traditional dishes are designed to feed groups of people, signaling a community's welcoming and inclusive spirit. They evoke memories of festive family meals and communal celebrations. Ethnic foods further the social functions of breaking bread together, fostering bonds and exchanging stories over a meal. The labor and resources involved in making them celebrate the spirit of hospitality and generosity.